Now let me continue this controversial and unpopular law. For democracy, citizens express, okay, we done right. If when large number of people begin to wrong law has been passed, there is pressure on parliament change it. 아마도 같이 오선다 대딩은 주기 ngaba디나는 또 미망 미편 미망부지기 이게 팀스라와 parliament에가 지도 팀스마 마 그러나 이거는 아니 pressure 되게 미망도 캔내 매부터 바 it what 팀들이 교왔당 공개 사실 그렇지 if the law favor one group or the disregard the other it will be controversial and lead conflict 팀직 그룹 찍어야 로고 제도 그룹 심바들이 로고 맞으면은 이 controversial 찍어 욕라진 게 팀식 이 conflict라는 아니 전용이야 고치기를 now here 7 the people who think that the law is not fair can approach the court to decide 아마도 미망도 주사면은 팀들이 한 팀간을 돈이 팀들이야 아니 이제 무슨 사이체 콜 돈이 이제 8. The court has the power to modify or cancel law if it finds that they don't adopt the constitution. 팀한기가 길에 이렇게 to modify subject에다 이 팀이 봐 맵스에다 아니 팀 certain 기회도 김다에 비치. 9. In India, role of citizen does not end with electing representatives. They also analyze the work done by MPs and criticize the action if needed. Therefore, it states that people in a democratic country have right to protest against the unjust law. Okay, unjust law. nandugi jahan naloliya nimangi misusugi vendemchong susugi tandana video susugi limit tam shayadi susu kuzap chugo damya chugo mayembiche ani mb yorwa susugi togi chudu nambegi hachi de yagan nandu shugo dungile criticize yuntukchi kunzule ya mangsu shung nalori kunzugi digmebene ologe da 정부 당대킬래야 돼. 맞으라고. Now here glossary and tanya 개침복 없습니다. Rule of law, it means that all law apply equally to all citizens of the country and no one can be above the law. Rule of law 당하라는 팀 상마 팀이 되는 상마 집어래요. 팀도 토스 하요 말이야. No one above the law. 팀 하요 말이야. Second, sedition. This applies to any things that the government might consider as stirring up resistance or rebellion against it. The British passed sedition at 1870 under a person protesting criticizing the British government could be arrested without it. Sedition la susugi ta susugi ta di chimchudung geja junjuloya ta British ki susugi ta timdi 팀리는 어디서 프랑스 수수기 브리티시 프랑스 수수기가 수수기 수수라 레시스텐시 리벌린 주요나 동안나 루야 되고디 아니 자가 메마가 막합시다 이 팀디 보야미도스 팀디 프랑스 케빈치도 수고도 시문들에 evolution in the chapter it is referred to the way which protesting women against domestic violence developed from the urgently felt need to new laws can be enforced in entire country. Evolution of another chapter din aloliyam ta omugi ta protesting chair domestic violence chidu. The injim jitim mulaya violence chair injim meb so putu ani tim dila pomudilaya diro ya younger husband ki dungchung me tim suge. Both Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2000 according to Buddha Humula chikwa obudi Domestic violence is referred to threat injury caused by man, usually as his wife, injury physically, bleeding, emotional abuse, abuse of women, usually verbal, sexual, economic abuse. Or the economic abuse la mangpudi ni tu sama ewa jeni mas. Chitang abuse la tu bala ka ni chushe. Verbal ana keja tu ko si du na ko la ya dita. any sexual abuse or harassment, physical touch, economic and tenjo. Now here six the criticize in this chapter term refer to citizen fan the fault with the function of government criticize repressive what is meant by repressive in this chapter term refers to the law as a brutal okay brutal is a method to control the person or to prevent to access fundamental rights. The repressive nemya samutam. Now here the homework write textbook exercise and the on the lotina yogi ni yogi with samuthieche question answer the undernation bank samuthieche write about unpopular and controversial law. Ani unpopular and team sungyo joro parliament sungyo unpopular passion chap. Tonyo khalis chap. These are continue to make your own notes. Continue to mark tiny notes. Why the detail of what you learn from this chapter understand. Ani karangi team la the look saying the jan karang kari putsu cheche odu homework che. Ani daran shai. Thanks. Ani stay happy.